you know that GIFT is known for the skill courses, right? All basics, right? And I taught you the trouser, right? With trouser in same drafting, I taught you full length, capri, pedal pusher, 3/4, French trouser, troubadour, Jamaica, Bermuda, hot pant, short, right? Plus woodcut as well as parallel. In the same drafting, we shown you everything, right? Okay. So important of the trouser, basically you must have the measurement about all required measurement, right? From where you wear the trouser, that is the wearable vest, then your hip, thigh diameter, crotch with belt, right? Knee diameter, calf diameter, length, okay? And below hip with joint thigh diameter that allow us to give the shape with the perfect stitching with pocket. So the trouser will not lift from this side, right? Okay, that is important. So we have taken measurement of your waist, right? Wearable vest. Okay. Then we have taken your hip size. Then below hip, all in round, right? Then we taken your knee in down, round diameter, calf diameter. Then whatever the flare you want to open here, we taken that how much bottom flare you want to open, right? Plus crotch, very important, right? And then belt size, what we decided, 1.5 inch. Okay. Then basically from where you will follow the crease of the trouser, front crease like this. Okay. Where we fix the for ladies a dot and for the gents pleat, right? I have pleat, right? So crease size 1.5 inch, right? So that way we decide, and same way we'll put it dot inside stitching. Very important of the trouser, these measurements what we have talked, right? So we have taken all measurements, right? And then we take the extra fabric for stitching. Otherwise we will not wear this fabric in actual garment cutting. This is only for the teaching. So when you will cutting the garment, if you're using the draft, that is okay. Otherwise directly you're drafting on fabric, then you must consider that this fabric is very important, right? And we cut 4 pieces, 2 front, 2 back. Back side is always big, 1 inch, right? We shown you this 1 inch extra because when you see that after ironing your jeans, you always feel that the back side come up on the front side. So 1 inch is extra. That will give you the better fitting on back, right? With the crotch. And important thing is that we always cut the trouser. Measurement we begin from the thighs diameter. Okay. That is important. On thighs, there is crotch get touched in bottom, right? Perfectly under your crotch, right? So this is the way we have taken the size measurement. We line, parallel line from there. Then from that, from this line, hip line, thigh line, right angle, we take this way. Then from this side, okay, from this side, we take the variable length, variable vest, right? So whatever the variable vest touch here, right? Okay. So we mark the straight line, right angle, straight with seam, okay. From there, we take the front crease distance. And for girls, we always take that apex to apex measurement, divide by half plus 0.5. So it is like almost fall on the crease, right? For gents, same way, but gent doesn't have the apex, right? Highest point of the chest. So we measurement on the trouser like here and then cut it accordingly. And this portion we taken that way. Then 1.5 inch dart or maybe pleat. And there's the hip line, right? Whatever the waist to hip after minusing belt, okay. We drawn here, right? This way. So this is the hip line and this actual hip touching here, right? We have not added any extra in hip. That we will add after drafting. We cut exactly on hip, right? Trouser with ease, with seam ease, right? So this is the hip line, right? And this is your waistline. On waistline, we draw a straight line again from top, right angle, then draw the crotch accordingly. So crotch size is this, we measurement like this, okay, and then use the French curve, mark the curve, and then again we take that, okay, whatever the crotch we drawn is perfect or not, we use the measuring tape and check from here is falling, and you will always see that half an inch extra is you will get by fluke or by luck, whatever you say. Naturally it comes. If you tight here, then it will make unease in wearing. So yeah, this is automatically ease comes, right? So don't omit from there. And same way we backside. If you want to open and if you want to lose the garment, this way we take extra. Otherwise, cut it straight this way. If you don't want to lose garment, whatever the trouser you are getting from market, stitch garment, they don't give this ease. This is only tailor-made garment. If you want to lose the garment, then open from here and increase the waist, variable waist. So that's why we take this extra. Okay, in tailor-made garment. Otherwise, whatever the garment you're getting in market, they don't have this kind of ease. You will see that perfectly stitched exactly on that, right? So this is the way we draw here a straight line. Then we take from here to here, waist to variable waist to knee. After adding belt, okay. Knee is important. There is no garment, right? This is the crotch, 2 inch down. We have taken here, 2 inch down, right? From here we have taken 2 inch down, right? 2 inch. This 2.5 inch, right? And exactly this is the crotch line, right? Below to the crotch 1 inch or 1.5 inch and give the curve like this. This is down, this is up. This is the hot pant. Half inch down, then little straight, right? That is the short. Okay, this is the shorty short, this is the short, right? This is the short, right? This is the hot pant, right? And then there is the knee, okay? And from here, divide this, measure the area, then divide by 3. This is the line, 2 inch, right? So this is Jamaica, this is Bermuda. On knee, no trouser, no garment, okay? Knee, nobody bear, okay? And then below to knee, as per your height, 4 inch, 5 inch, 10 inch, 6 inch, as per the height, that you will get the calf, okay? On calf, there is, whatever the marking comes, there is a pedal pusher. And then there is a total length, right, of garment. Ankle length. From ankle length to upwards, 4 inch here is called capri. This is capri. Okay. And this area divided by 2. This is come, right, between whatever the division of 2. This is 3/4 or French trouser, toreador. Okay. So this is a pedal pusher. This is a toreador. This is capri. Here you know no garment. This is a Bermuda. This is a Jamaica. This is the shorty short, and this is a shorty short. It's called hot pant. This is the way. And this is a knee. This is a knee marking, right? So from knee, take outside like this way. Straight. This is woodcut or bell bottom, right? And then from hip to straight with little curve. This is straight from little curve, right? This. And from straight to little curve, right? This is parallel. So this is the way I taught you now how to draw this Bharat garment we are teaching, okay? So these are the measurements we took right here. And now I am showing how to draw this, okay? So this is the crotch, same way we have taken, like this is the crotch Crotch size is 24. Divide by 2, 12 minus belt 1.5 is equal to 10.5. 10.5 we have taken. This is a 10.5. This is a 10.5. Okay. And then from this is our first thigh measurement. And where is the thigh, the cross will come, we don't know. So we just mark a straight line. This is the thigh measurement, right? This is the thigh measurement from here to here. Right. On thigh, straight line. From top line parallel to straight line. This is the horizontal, this is the vertical, right? So we form the crotch, right? So wherever the crotch comes, right, we are not sure about that because the telomere garment, we draw like this. This is the crotch, right? And this is outer line, right? This is the crotch and little from hip down, half an inch, make the zip. Okay? Zip will get stitched. So zip size will be 6 plus and half. So 6 plus 1.5 belt is equal to 7.5 inch zip. Okay? So you know that the zip size, whatever you needed for the stitching garment, at least 8 inch zip you needed for that. On top you can chop it off the zip. Okay? So this is the thigh line, this is the hip line, this is variable waist, WW. Okay? So this is common measurement. We have taken thigh diameter 23.5 divided by 2, 11.75, 1 inch both sides seam is equal to 12.75. This is the 12.75. Okay. And from here we take the hip. This is the hip line. Hip size is, you see the 40.5 divided by 4 is equal to 10.12 plus 1 inch seam. So this is the actual hip size. This is actual hip size with ease, with seam. Okay. This is from here, where variable waist was 10.12. 10.12 we taken till here, right? 10.12. And then from there we form the line for the crotch. And this is area, that distance from zip to pleat. This is distance area is zip to pleat. Because this is the area. This from here, this is the area zip to pleat. And then 1.5 inch pleat we form, and then this is the things. Okay. So once you wear the garment, so this garment will shrink there, right? After mixing this. So how that will go in that? So we need to take 1.5 inch from the back side. This is the back. Cut it straight, right? The back side. So this is the 1.5 inch. We will reduce from here. This is the 1.5 inch. Okay. This is the 1.5 inch. Then draw to the hip size. And this is the problem. I always do the mistake in this garment like this. So don't go. Use the curve accordingly, which can give the perfect curve, right? Ease automatically increase when you give the curve. And then use the different. This is not working. This is working, right? Light line. You got the ease, little ease into 4. So almost 1 centimeter above you will get the ease. Okay. Stitching garment from here, right? This is stitching. So this is the ease. And this is the knee. And this is the length. So how we do that? Okay, we are doing correct. We put the straight line from the hip, right? This is the way. This is the way we put the straight line with the bottom flare. We decided this is 5 inch, 10 inch. So this is all together 10 inch. Oh, back side 1 inch. So 10 inch, 11 inch, 21 inch minus 2 inch seam is equal to 19 inch bottom flare. you will get. Okay. So bottom flare is 19 inch. This bottom flare you will get the 19 inch. Okay. Clear? And this line. And now we have knee here, right? This support how to take the garment inside for the fitting. Knee plays a major role. The way the thighs will decide for the crotch. It will not decide the crotch. Thigh measurement decides the crotch diameter. Same way, knee plays a major role for that shrinking the garment inside for the fitting. You are understanding?
Yes.
What do you say? इधर देखिए इनको बात समझ में आ रहा है आपके? So from here we will use the different curve. This is the things, right? If we this should not disturb much. Okay. So this is, you see that this line is going perfectly and this curve we will match accordingly because no French curve is available to make you perfect. This is right. Okay. So the garment got shrink here this much front side to the knee and then you decide this is very important to make this curve perfectly. And this is not perfect. Okay. So if you want perfect, you need to hand skills, right? So this is the way you draw like this. But before shrinking the garment, please check that your thigh measurement should not reduce. So this is increasing. Extra ease. You're getting extra ease. So here your trouser will get extra ease. So you can sit, you can jump, you can do, trouser will fall straight. When you sit and get up, trouser will fall perfectly down in gravitation. Clear? जोर से बोलो तो फनी दे. Up this line, you can use your hand skills. Okay. If you are not getting okay, and this garment will touch here straight. This will go this side. Clear? So this line is perfectly giving ease. You are able to see that? Sir, yes or no?
Yes.
Then make this garment come this side. ये आप इधर आ जाओ. आप इधर आ जाओ. दोनों देखिए. Okay. So this is the difference we got. And so same way, this line here. Where is my right angle? Here. Put the right. This is the difference. Shrink here. Shrink this way, right? So use this and match the bottom line. Matching? Wait. Is matching here? Okay. I put the line here. This is the formal perfect. And 1 inch back exactly. Put the line hand. This is the back. This area is back. Okay. This area back. Okay. Garment, once you stitch the garment will come here. Okay. This will remain same. This will, because of the dot or pleat, it will go in. Okay. You will pinch this way. Okay. So, this is the garment. And now, if you want to lose the garment in future, then half an inch up from here. Half an inch. And this line, joint under this line. Whatever the hip line we have taken, this will give the perfect curve, right? If you don't do, the master will cut. Tailor will cut, because that will create the problem in stitch. Okay, this goes straight. Okay, so this area, this is front, This is front and this is back. Okay, this is back. This is back, right? Clear? Bharat, you are able to understand?
Yes, sir.
And now, from here we took the curve for the crotch, then half an inch below, zip. Okay? We need to fix it. Now, there is a perfect full length trouser. From this, I'll teach you how many garments. 2 inch down from the front garment, front side, 2 inch and 2.5 inch, right? This 2 inch. And this is our thigh line. This is thigh line, okay? Exactly 1 or 1.5 inch down, take this curve, okay? This is hot pant. This is hot pant, right? This is hot pant or shorty short. Shorty short, okay? And this is 2 inch. This is half inch, right? Take and little straight, right? This is little straight, right? This is short. This short trouser, right? And now from this knee, this is the knee. This is the knee. Knee was 19 inch down. Okay. 19 inch down from variable waist. Okay. And take this measurement. This is almost 6 inch, right? Approximately 6 inch. 6 inch divided by 3 is equal to 2 inch, right? So divide by 3, here 6 is 6, right? So this is 2, this is 2, right? Mark the line straight way, this way, from the crease line. Always remember, marking always take from the crease line. You will not do any mistake, right? There's a crease line. Crease line comes from first dot, right? This is the crease line, center crease, front crease. Front or back side. Okay, ये crease line. So this is, we divided 2 inch, 2 inch, 2 inch, right? So this is your hot pant, this is your shorty short, this is Jamaica. This is Jamaica, this is Bermuda. Bermuda. On knee, no garment. ठीक है? No garment. 4 inch down from knee, 4 inch down from, this is pedal pusher. Cycling, okay? And 4 inch from bottom to up, right? 4 inch from bottom to up, right? This way, this is 4 inch. This is capri. Capri. Now calculate total in between pedal pusher to capri is almost 9.5. 9.5 divided by 2 is equal to 4.75. Okay? 4.75, put the line here, a straight line from the crease line. Okay? This is 3/4 in India or French trouser. Toreador. Toreador. French always wear from here. French people. So they call Toreador, right? And this is Capri. So you learn from this hot pant, shorty short, Jamaica, Bermuda, no garment on knee, down to the calf is a pedal pusher. Then up from the bottom flare to 4-inch, that becomes Capri, and from pedal pusher to Capri, divide in two parts with that length, that area, center part becomes the trouser, French trouser. It's clear? So now this is your perfect trouser. This is bottom flare to fold the trouser, right? Extra 4-inch, extra 4-inch, okay? Extra 4-inch. Now you want to convert this trouser in parallel, okay? So nothing, no problem. You have this straight line. See here, area. This area is parallel to by, this is 2.5. Put the line 2.5 here, okay? This line is straight. Use this lightly. 2.5, okay. Then this is very straight. Give a little curve from here, little curve, okay. Little fitting curve. So this is parallel. This area, same area, you increase here, okay, and make from hip to bottom, right? This is parallel. You got the shape? So this area is parallel. This extra parallel, the parallel trouser. And now you want to have a woodcut, then always do from the knee. So this is knee, right? This is the knee. Take as much you want, loosen, but always remember that this line should go straight to the, no difference here, go to the crotch, straight way. Then line, put the hand here. Oh. Another pen. This is the woodcut or bell bottom. How much area you have taken here? 2.5 inch. 2.5 inch here. Okay. 2.5 inch here from the knee again. See that it should not disturb this curve. This is woodcut. Then take it straight. This goes straight for the parallel. For parallel go straight. Woodcut go like this. And same way from here 1 inch. I forgot when you teach you this. Abhi draw kar dunga. Okay. The same way goes extra back. Okay. This extra back. Okay. So this is your, this is the full length or ankle length. Okay. So you learn how many garments are? This is hot pant. This is short. This shorty short. This is hot pant. This is Jamaica. This is Bermuda. Okay. It's written Bermuda. Knee, there is no garment. Calf, there is a pedal pusher. Right. There is a pedal pusher. And then bottom to ankle length to up. 4 inch is a capri. If you have more height, then take it 5 inch. If you have more height, take it 5 inch down for the pedal pusher. It depends on height. Your height is less, that's why we have taken 4 inch. If you have almost 5, 10, 11, 12, So whatever, so you need to increase here, right? Only changes come for the pedal pusher and this area, hot pant, short pant, whatever you want to do, because the area will increase because of your height. And if you are short, then you will reduce. Both way. Height, you need to increase. If you're short, you can to reduce. Okay. So this is the way I taught you trouser. So actually, you understand. So this much garment with a single draft we taught you, and now you are going to practice. You will draw after seeing this how we taught you, and this is perfect. So first of all, your garments got stitched by tailor. Now you are going to stitch by yourself. The tailor master shown you how to stitch. Okay. So now you again teaching the drafting again. So what's the point teaching you again the drafting? So first drafting you are not able to understand. Second time same thing we are teaching you. So what do you feel the same time we are teaching again?
So I do think
Louder. कैमरा पकड़ता नहीं है.
जैसे कि ये है पहली बारी में थोड़ा कुछ कम समझ आता है, लेकिन जब हम दूसरी बार ड्राफ्ट अभी सीख रहे हैं तो हम जब 20% सीखे थे तो आज हम 50% से अबव सीखे हैं उस चीज़ को. तो उस जगह पे अब हम अगर ड्राफ्ट लेके बैठते तो हम कुछ बेटर कर पाएंगे पहले से.
मतलब almost you will reach on the same stage.
यस सर.
You doubt that about our teaching?
नो.
How we teach?
वेरी गुड.
Individually. Your trouser is different. You come here. See, your height is less. So your trouser is different. Your body is different. There's a difference. If we teach 25 students like this, if we teach 25 students like this, we go mad. But no institute teaching that way. So you know that once you learn this, from this garment we'll teach you for the girls, right? Divider skirt, pencil skirt, box pleat skirts, multiple box pleat skirt, and whatever. This measurement never get changed. This is your physique fitting. So divider skirt will come, and divider skirt we will blow down the from crotch in between crotch to crotch end point to the knee point, right? Divide by 2. In that area we will take the crotch down. So you know that it will fall like a skirt. And if you make the divider skirt from the same crotch, then it will look awful. Every girl will say, what is this shit you have made for us? So you know that. So very important that how the fabric falls, how the garment falls in towards the gravitation, right, is very important. So for the divider skirt, at least 4-5 inch we increase the zip size. So you know that. So in center portion of the skirt, it will fall like trouser, but it is a skirt. Fall like trouser, but looks like skirts, right? So that's why we call it divider skirts. And other skirts, so we will put a slip from side. You can so zip. There is no crotch, okay? Only crotch comes in the divider skirt. So you will see stitch that. And other thing is that whatever the box pleats, so this area will increase. If you want to 2-3 box pleats, so this vest area will increase, but wearing will remain same. Fitting will come here, but cutting area will increase as required for the box pleat or whatever any pleat. And pencil skirt, right? That is very fitted. So over there we give the opening in the side, right? You can give the opening from the center or back or whatever, like whatever the designer thing. So there is no way to stop anybody because everybody is having different mind of doing things. But we teach here from the side. So when you walk, so you know that pencil skirt is very tight and narrow. So that's why we give the opening till knee. So when you walk, so we calculate that when you are walking, your leg should not show. You know that if you want to show the legs, like model shows, वो चलते हैं तो उनको सब दिखते हैं, right? But and generally decent people doesn't wear that, but they want to wear the pencil skirt, right? So at least from the knee. So when you walk, your leg will not show. Only below the calf one can see, and that is good. So you know that we teach basic garment. So this is the basic garment we are teaching. If you want to take it towards the advanced, what you will do? If you want to do in same trouser, नहीं मुझे pleat नहीं चाहिए. I don't want this pleat here. I want here box pleat. Okay, make it extra. Take it box pleat here, tight here. your fitting will get same, and trouser will get open from center crease. So like filmy stars, they used to wear these all funny things because they want to show something good, something new. Because every time there is a show business. Okay, so that is important to know that how to do the same trouser in box pleat. You can do the box pleat here. Same area will increase here. Box pleat on the box pleat, the stitch like the way you done the pleat, right? Tight. Stitch it and bottom it will get open. And you know what you do? In the back side of the box pleat, there's a different glitters fabric. So when they walk, that shows something funny, but okay. It's required in fashion design. There are many people want such kind of a garments, right? There are people, that they portray themselves with the knowledge. So they wear very simple garments, basic garments. And where people are not portraying themselves with the knowledge, they show, they have something. So they wear such kind of funny garments. So you must learn that how to do, how to cater to the all different segment of the people, right? Very important. कल को आया कोई आपके पास नहीं मुझे तो ऐसा चाहिए. If you don't know how to do that, that is a problem. So you understand that box pleat, you add extra glitter fabric inside, right? So once you will walk, that glitter will come out and you will enjoy that. So आज की learning में, for today's learning, I taught you trouser again. What is the difference? No, you say, speak louder. पास में जाके बोलिए कैमरे में. उधर मैं वो देख रही भाई मेरे को नहीं. हाँ बोलो कुछ हिंदी गुजराती में बोलो. गुजराती में क्या बोलो? हाँ वांधो શું છે? गुजराती में बोलो. आपने શું છે? बोलो. Don't take time. You are here in fashion learning and you are feeling shy. It's not good.
No.
Okay. उधर कैमरे में देख के बोलो.
कुछ नहीं सर, ट्राउजर से सर अलग अलग तरह का हम लोग बना सकते हैं.
बना सकते हैं ना. ट्राउजर का शलवार बन जाएगा. शलवार जैसा. अरे जोधपुरी ट्राउजर होता है ना इधर वो ऐसा करके वो नीचे टाइट वो चूड़ीदार पजामा जैसे दिखता है जोधपुरी ट्राउजर, राइट? वो भी सिखा देंगे. वो सारा बन जाता है. वो शिकारी ट्राउजर, हंटर्स ट्राउजर, राइट? Earlier उस टाइम तो military soldiers were wearing. You know that? East India Company soldiers were wearing like the trouser like this, right? So things are improving day by day. So changes came in industry for comfort. So it was not comfortable, so they gone for comfort. So it's okay. So today we are happy, sir.
Yes, sir.
Are you happy?
Yes, sir.
Thank you for the shooting us, Anna. Thank you.